Want to increase your income in 2025? Artificial intelligence is changing the way people work and earn money worldwide. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the top 5 AI tools that can help you make money faster, smarter, and from anywhere. Whether you are a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just looking for side income, these tools will boost your productivity and earnings. Let's dive right in. Number 1. ChatGPT. Number 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI. It can write articles, create marketing content, and even build chatbots for businesses. Freelancers use ChatGPT to speed up their writing tasks and improve the quality of their work. For example, you can generate blog posts, social media captions, emails, and even scripts for videos like this one. If you want to start a freelance writing or content creation business, ChatGPT is a must-have tool. Many professionals save hours of work and increase their income by using it. Number 2. Midjourney. Number 2. Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI-powered tool for generating stunning images. It allows users to create unique digital artwork by describing what they want in simple text prompts. This is great for designers, marketers, and social media managers who need custom visuals but don't have a design background. You can sell these AI-generated images as stock photos or use them for branding, advertising, and website design. Midjourney opens new opportunities for creative entrepreneurs to monetize their skills with minimal investment. Number 3. Canva with AI features. Number 3. Canva with AI features. Canva is a popular graphic design platform that recently added AI-powered features. Canva helps you create logos, social media posts, presentations, and more, even if you're not a professional designer. The AI features automate tasks like background removal, style suggestions, and image enhancement. This saves time and allows freelancers or small business owners to produce high-quality marketing materials easily. Whether you're designing for clients or your own brand, Canva is an invaluable tool. Number 4. Jasper AI. Number 4. Jasper AI. Jasper AI is a powerful writing assistant designed to help create blog posts, ads, product descriptions, and more in minutes. Jasper uses AI to understand your writing style and generate content that matches your voice. It's especially useful for marketers and copywriters who need to produce large volumes of content quickly. Jasper can also help you brainstorm ideas, rewrite sentences, and improve SEO performance. Many businesses rely on Jasper to scale their content creation without hiring large teams. Number 5. Notion AI. Number 5. Notion AI. Notion AI is an all-in-one workspace that integrates AI to help you organize work, manage projects, and automate tasks. Notion AI can summarize notes, generate task lists, and even write meeting minutes for you. This tool is perfect for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and teams looking to increase productivity and reduce time spent on administrative work. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus more on creative and revenue-generating activities. Start using these AI tools today and watch your income grow. Remember, the future of work is in AI, and those who adopt these technologies early will have a big advantage. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on technology and money. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment below with which AI tool you want to try first. Thanks for watching.